Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It is time now for Legally Speaking with attorney Carol Thomas, who joins us right now. Thank you so much for joining us. How are you?
I'm fine, Blake. Thank you very much for having me.
Absolutely. So we are here to talk about elder law, estate planning, and trust. So attorney Thomas, could you just define elder law for us, please, and then just how it relates to estate planning?
Okay, wonderful. So estate planning is basically what happens when I die. How does my loved one receive my house, my assets? But elder law is a part of estate planning that most lawyers don't really deal with, and that is what happens if there's an incapacity issue before I die. Nursing homes are $10,000 to $12,000 a month, and if someone isn't prepared for that, they can lose their life savings so very, very quickly.
Absolutely. And any other parts to that we should know about estate planning or even elder law or trusts?
Well, what I'd like to tell people is how we deal with it in our office as an elder law office. We kind of have two main parts. One part of our office is preparing the documents that you need. The trust, which is so important for the nursing home protection. If a married couple owns a home, it's absolutely necessary that they get their home into a trust. The other part of our office is actually, and I have 5 women working in my Medicaid department, because that's how we get people eligible to, the state will pay for the nursing home bill, is we get them eligible for Medicaid, but it's so important that we have these documents done ahead of time.
Yeah. And that great lead into our next question about a necessary time frame to have those documents in place prior to a nursing home. Is there a specific time frame you should have that prepped?
It's wonderful if people get it done before there's a nursing home necessary, because if we don't have them done ahead of time, Blake, there's sometimes that we can't help people. And you know, everyone says, I'm never going to be in a nursing home. I'll never place my spouse in a nursing home. But I was actually thinking the other day, everyone out there, I'll bet you have homeowners insurance, because my goodness, what if your home burns down or there's a tornado?
Right.
But there's really less than a 1% chance that you'll need your homeowner's insurance for that. Did you know that over 2/3 of individuals over the age of 65 will need long-term care? So we're talking about 70% of the population that will need long-term care, and if you don't have the right documents done, you're not prepared to get them protected.
And we definitely don't want to delay that either. And thank you so much for detailing these stats out. I don't think people really know how much it might affect them in the future. So thank you for detailing that out. And is there anything else that you would like our viewers to know, maybe how to reach you in terms of getting started?
Well, and we offer complimentary consultations, so if they want to call my office at 989-793-2300, I love talking to people about what do you need to do so if suddenly there's a stroke, you don't lose your life savings. And actually, I had a client the other day that summarized it beautifully.
Yeah.
He said it's a no-brainer that you need to get this done with such a high probability that you'll have this huge expense later in life.
Time to get ahead and get started. Attorney Thomas, thank you for coming in this morning.
Thank you, Blake.
Absolutely, our pleasure. And if you want more information on this topic, of course, you can just head on over to the Hot Links section on our website. That's at WNEM.com. Stick with us. We have a look at your forecast after this break.